This video will show you how to search for proposals and awards within the Cayuse system. The first thing you'll do is log into Cayuse, and we'll have a link below with the official login to Cayuse for Tulane. Up at the top, this is just a URL that links to our test instance. So anything here is just in a test version. So make sure you do not log into the test version because you won't see the correct information. So once you log in here, you'll see your tasks menu. To navigate to sponsored projects, you'll just click on the products button and go to sponsored project. And then it'll load this dashboard with all of the different proposals that you have access to. Up at the top, you can see we have proposals, projects, and awards. We're going to start with proposals. We have a list here of every proposal you have access to. I have access to almost all proposals in the university because I work in sponsored projects, but depending on your role within the university, you may only see your own proposals, or if you're a chair or a dean, you may see multiple people's proposals. The best way to find something is we have this filter search bar here. We have a few pre-made filters. We have, if you just need to find anything in development, you can click that in development button, and this status in development shows right here in the filter bar. We have under review, approved, submitted, funded. So that's a good way to, initially filter some things out. But I always think the best way to search, let's say you want to search for a PI. Go to the filter search bar and put the letters PI and find the filter for PI. Here we are. And then you can see it adds a little cursor inside the PI button. I'm going to search for my own name in here just to show you what happens. Now it has filtered out everything, showing only the proposals with the PI of Walter Ward. I can do, multiple 50 per page. I'll adjust that. And we can see every single proposal here. If you want to filter it further, let's say you only care about a PI Walter Ward, but you want to see any proposal from NIH as the sponsor. Well, add another filter. We've got sponsor in here. So type in sponsor and find it. We'll sponsor right here. And I'm just going to type NIH. And then it'll filter anything with NIH in the title. You have to be careful, though, because you see here we have Nihon University because it contains the letters NIH. So I noticed the other sponsors are NIH with a dash in it. So maybe if I wanted to filter that better, I'll just add a little dash next to it, and there we go. That should filter out Nihon University. You can add as many filters as you want, but a general rule of thumb is you don't want to put too many filters on here. It'll restrict your search results. And also, if there's a title you're looking for specifically, try to think of a word in that title that you're trying to find that is a word that really stands out, or like a drug name that you're specifically looking for. It's a good way to search. If you need any help with searching or any questions at all about how this works, just feel free to let us know as well. And the same thing works for awards. If you need to search for awards, you can always search for PI. Here's the PI filter, Walter Ward, and I can find any award with Walter Ward as the PI. And again, we've got about 100 filters here. So if there's anything you want to filter by, it helps narrow it down. You can find what you're looking for pretty easily. If you know the, let's say, I'll go back to proposals. Let's say you already know the proposal number. If you type the word proposal, there's proposal number right here will show up. And let's say you already know it's got a 9645 in it. You remember seeing that somewhere, and sure enough, here we go. And it'll bring you a link right to that proposal. And that's how you do searches in Cayuse. Again, the same thing works for proposals and awards. Really easy to find everything. Again, if you need help, please let us know at Sponsored Projects. We'd be glad to help you.